I'm Aki Fukuoka, the illustrator for Billie B Brown series. I thought I would share with you my favorite illustration that I worked on for this book, The Honeybees. To be honest, I enjoyed illustrating all the illustrations. But there is one that I remember the most. Yeah, Billie and her friends are surrounded by sunflowers and getting up to a lot of exciting things. As an illustrator, I don't just enjoy drawing nice pictures, but I also love telling stories through my illustrations. I feel that when we read a book, the stories are told through words, and we use our imaginations to fill the gaps and details so that the story is more vivid and realistic in our minds. As an illustrator, I also want to contribute to the book by telling more about the story by using my illustration. While Sally's wonderful words focus on telling you the main storyline, I like to try including little sub-stories and details that are not necessarily told through Sally's words. And this illustration is a perfect example of this. When I was drawing up the rough sketch for this illustration, there were not many words in the story telling me what to draw. Sally and the editor gave me so much freedom on what sort of scenery I could come up with. Obviously, Billie had to be in there, and also Jack and Sarah, their new friend. The editor suggested maybe the three could be happily setting up the compost bin. Since we had the whole page to fill, I decided to add Benny and Rebecca feeding the chickens, a couple of their other friends in the back enjoying the sunflowers, and in the foreground, Sam also coming in to join the crowd. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. I think it may take 1,000 words to describe what's happening in this picture. Don't you think?